Hey guys, it's John. I'm back with another video. Today is going to be an update on the Kawasaki M9 rail cars for the Long Island Railroad. These cars just started running in September 11th, 2019, and they're slowly being rolled out. The first set of cars were built, the car bodies were actually built in Kobe, Japan, shipped to Yonkers, New York, where they were finished, and the rest of the cars, 188 cars in total, I think, the car bodies are being manufactured in the Lincoln, Nebraska facility, which is near where I live, and they are being trucked to Yonkers for fit out and finishing. So let's just get into a little tour of the factory here. Now, the Kawasaki facility is located right next to Lincoln Airport. Lincoln Airport is a former Air Force base, and they make all kinds of stuff here. It was actually the first foreign auto manufacturer to open a factory in the U.S. So they make ATVs, mules, side-by-sides, all that kind of stuff, and of course we don't really care about that. We care about trains. So you can see peeking out from the back there are some of the M9 car bodies that are ready to be shipped out. This track that is in front of us is the Union Pacific Lincoln sub. Its old branch line goes between Lincoln and Valley, Nebraska. So here you can see in the back where they are still finishing up the order of 7,000 series cars for Washington Metro. And they cranked out a bunch of those, 780 some cars, something like that. I don't know the exact number, but they definitely cranked out a bunch of them. And you can see that building in the middle, that's the actual factory. And this is a shot from the paper of the inside of it. They do have a little test track here. It's electrified with overhead and third rail. And of course those 7,000 series cars are 4-car married pairs. So there's 77, 43, 42, and one cab at each end of the 4-car set. Busy place today. So here's a shot 2013 of the M8s. They cranked out several hundred of them. I don't know exactly how many, but a lot of them, and they even had to build a few more than they were expecting because of that derailment back in, what was it? Was it 2013? Those cars might have actually been for that derailment. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure somebody can tell us in the comments. But here we go. I believe there was about 15 of these things already. They're just sitting on those bogies just to be transported around the area. Once they're not being shipped by rail, they are. You'll see later they're mounted on truck wheels, and it's not a fixed trailer. Actually, it uses the car body with wheel sets on each side. But I'm shot in the dark. I'm not 100% sure, but I hazard a guess that the blue tarps are over the cab end of the car, because these M9s are 2-car married pairs. So there's a shot of the airport, and I would love to bring my drone out here and get an aerial shot of the facility, but they would kind of frown on that. I could probably maybe get approval, but the Lincoln Airport actually has more military traffic at it right now for about a year and a half because of work that's ongoing at Offutt Air Force Base to redo the runway there and probably clean up from all the floods we had this spring. I'm sure that's some kind of elementary signaling system there, that little stoplight. You can almost make out the features of a cab, it looks like. So yeah, like I said, I think there was about 15 of these guys. There's quite a few of them. It looked like they had 4 that were on the truck bogies and ready to be shipped out the door. And this little industry lead, the M8s were actually built and finished in this facility here, and they were actually shipped by the Union Pacific, and I assume CSX. I'm sure somebody knows in the comments, but I'm pretty sure I know the M8s were shipped by UP. But all the 7000 series rail cars for the WMATA, those are all shipped by truck. Those things are too fragile to be shipped by rail. So as you can see, yeah, that one's sitting on truck boogie and it's ready to go, looks like. And that's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here's a couple of KC-135 refuelers from the, I think the Nebraska 155th Air Refueling Division, something like that. But anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I will try to get more videos out to you guys, so take care. Bye.